I'm back and ready for more Algebra 1 STAAR exam prep. Let's go! Question 8 states, which expression is equivalent to quantity x to the 9th, y, z to the 4th quantity raised to the 5th power? Before we work the question, let's notice that we're being tested on the laws of exponents. What do we do when we have variables with exponents inside parentheses that are being raised to another power? I'll show you, and then I'll share the official laws of exponents that relate to this question and some others just like it. The first thing we need to know is that the exponent of y is 1. Not 0, not nothing, but exactly 1. The quick way to do this is to distribute that power of 5 to x to the 9th, y to the 1, and z to the 4th. When we do that, we multiply the powers. So we have x to the 9 times 5, y to the 1 times 5, and z to the 4 times 5. Therefore, we have x to the 45th, y to the 5th, and z to the 20th. Notice that's answer choice J. That's it, we're done. We can move on to the next question. But not all questions related to the law of exponents will be just like this. So, here are the law of exponents with a helpful mnemonic. M-A-D-S-P-M, MADS PM, the mad scientist who works in the PM hours. Okay, not bad. The M stands for multiply. The A stands for add. When you multiply bases with exponents, you add the exponents. The base is the number or variable that's being raised to an exponent. The D stands for divide. S for subtract. When you divide bases with exponents, you subtract the exponents. P stands for power. M stands for, you guessed it, multiply. When you raise a base with an exponent to a power, another exponent, you multiply the exponent and the power. This mnemonic helps us remember 3 rules. The product rule, what to do when you multiply bases with exponents. The quotient rule, what to do when you divide bases with exponents. And the power rule, what to do when you have bases with exponents raised to another exponent or power. If you'd like to know more about this mnemonic and the laws of exponents, you could check out one of my other videos. The link is in the description. Wait, are you still here? All right, well, I might as well show you the alternate version of doing this question. You see, that power of 5 just means write the quantity inside the parentheses 5 times and multiply. So we have x to the 9th, y to the 1, z to the 4th times x to the 9th, y to the 1, z to the 4th, and so on and so on and so on. If we forgot how the power rule works, we can avoid it. Now we should use the product rule. When we multiply bases with exponents, we add the exponents. But if we forgot that, then we can avoid that as well. It just means we need to do more writing than we'd like to. X to the 9th means write x 9 times and multiply. Ugh, x times 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 x. So that's 9 x's, and we have 5 of those. We have 1 y, and we have 5 of those. We have 4 z's being multiplied, and we have 5 of those. You can start to see why the product rule and power rule actually exist. It's based on this. We just count up all the x's, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, 45. Count up the y's, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 5. Count up the z's, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And there we go. We have the same answer as before.